Welcome to the stunning Japanese garden in Monaco, a true hidden gem nestled in the heart of this glamorous principality. It's a peaceful oasis where Japanese tradition meets Mediterranean beauty. With serene ponds, gentle waterfalls, and perfectly manicured gardens, this spot invites you to escape the noise and find tranquility. Join us on this walk, and you'll see why this place is so special. Our journey begins with the Zen Garden, a quiet place where simplicity speaks volumes. Large stones rest among carefully raked gravel, representing mountains and rivers. This minimalistic beauty encourages reflection and a sense of inner calm. If you're enjoying this journey so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Liking this video and clicking the bell ensures you won't miss out on future adventures. Now, let's continue our walk. We cross a platform over a peaceful pond where ducks and their ducklings swim gracefully. It's a delightful sight, especially for nature lovers. In the distance, behind the delicate branches of Japanese maples, you can glimpse the charming tea house, nestled in its perfect spot. It feels like we've been transported to Japan, surrounded by delicate cherry blossoms, bonsai trees, and vibrant azaleas. Unfortunately, you might hear some construction noise in the background, disrupting the serenity of this moment. A large residential complex is being built nearby, a reminder of how much Monaco is expanding, despite its limited space and the extremely high cost of land. The project is expected to be completed soon, bringing even more life to this already fascinating area. As we continue walking, we encounter more of this garden's magic. To the left is another Zen garden, framed by delicate flowers and the soft sound of water. There's a beautiful gazebo nearby, perfect for stopping and soaking in the quiet atmosphere. Imagine, for a moment, sitting inside the tea house, sipping warm tea as part of a traditional Japanese tea ceremony. The soothing surroundings of flowers, bonsai trees, and the sounds of nature make it feel like a perfect place for peaceful contemplation. As we continue our walk through the Japanese garden, our attention is drawn to the Zen rock garden. This space may seem simple at first glance, just rocks and gravel carefully arranged, but it holds deep meaning. In Japan, Zen rock gardens are places of meditation and reflection. The rocks represent mountains, islands, or even living beings, while the raked gravel symbolizes the flow of water, like rivers or the sea. People often sit quietly by these gardens, allowing their minds to wander freely or focusing on the patterns in the gravel. The simplicity of the Zen garden encourages you to clear your mind, find peace, and connect with the natural world. It's a place where less is more, and where calmness can be found in simplicity. Next, we arrive at a picturesque pond with a stone bridge arcing gracefully over the water. Beneath the surface, you can spot koi fish, their brilliant reds, oranges, and whites swirling together like living art. These koi symbolize good fortune and perseverance in Japanese culture, adding a deeper meaning to their vibrant presence in the water. Before we move on, a quick reminder, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon for more beautiful walks like this one. Your support helps us continue to share these special moments with you. We stroll down a winding path that takes us past a bed of flowers and a view of the nearby mountains. From this angle, the large waterfall looks even more majestic, with its gentle roar adding a soothing background sound. It's a perfect spot to pause and take in the peacefulness of this unique garden. Next, our gaze is drawn to a beautiful red wooden bridge, gracefully curving over a quiet pond. In Japanese culture, bridges like this are more than just a way to cross water, they carry deep symbolic meaning. The red color of the bridge is vibrant and eye-catching, often associated with protection and happiness. In a Japanese garden, crossing a bridge symbolizes moving from one state of being to another, like stepping from the everyday world into a place of tranquility and reflection. It's a journey of transformation, inviting you to leave behind your worries as you enter the peacefulness of the garden. This bridge is not just a path, it's a symbol of new beginnings and the beauty that comes with them. Now, as we approach a larger waterfall, we're greeted by the sight of more breathtaking scenery. The stream from the waterfall runs into the pond, surrounded by lush flowers and trees trimmed with precision. A red wooden bridge crosses over the water, standing out as a striking piece of Japanese architecture against the greenery. The pond comes back into view, and as we turn toward the northern gate of the Japanese garden, we catch a glimpse of the mountains in the distance. The contrast of natural beauty and the careful design of the garden creates a harmonious atmosphere. In front of the gazebo, there are more delicate trees and a lovely fountain bubbling quietly nearby. Opposite this spot is a tap where you can quench your thirst with fresh, cool water, a thoughtful touch for those enjoying the gardens on a warm day. Finally, we arrive at the gazebo, a perfect place to rest and take in the beauty of the garden. From here, you can enjoy an elevated view of the ponds, the flowers, and the peaceful layout of the entire Japanese garden. If you look closely, you'll see that the garden follows a carefully planned relief design, each element perfectly positioned for balance and beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Monaco's Japanese garden. The tranquility of this place is a reminder of the peacefulness nature can bring to our lives, even in the heart of a bustling city. If you enjoyed this walk, don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell so you can join us on our next adventure. Until then, may the serenity of this garden stay with you.